Welcome to Como Machine. In this video, we feature the roller hold down option, which is available on our Fusion models. When you're cutting plywood or other sheet materials, consistency starts long before the spindle turns. Warped sheets, stacked material, or stock thickness variations can all compromise accuracy, unless you have the right hold-down solution. That's where the roller hold-down option comes in. Featured here on our Como FusionXL 408, the roller hold-down assembly attaches directly to the machine frame and applies consistent pressure across the surface of the material being cut. As material feeds into the cutting area, the rollers press the material flat, helping to eliminate bowing, lifting, or vibration during machining. The roller hold-down system doesn't work alone. It operates in tandem with the FusionXL's vacuum table. While the vacuum secures the sheet from below, the roller hold-down applies pressure from above, keeping warped or stacked sheets firmly in place and stable throughout the cut. The result is improved part accuracy, cleaner edges, and reliable repeatability, especially when working with plywood and other sheet goods that don't always cooperate. By combining mechanical pressure with vacuum hold-down, the FusionXL gives operators greater control over challenging materials, reducing scrap, minimizing setup time, and maintaining precision from start to finish. It's one more way the Como FusionXL is engineered to handle real-world materials with real-world reliability. To learn more, visit us at como.com or contact us at the email below.